kind of out and about with it. We went up to the farm, and Honeybabe got some corn, and went over here to get some stuff. We got family coming this evening, and so we're kind of getting ready for them. It rides good on the fat tires, and that's really what I was trying to find out, how it would ride, and I think it rides real good. I think I'm going to run them for a little while. It steers, I believe it steers a little easier with the skinny tires, but I also believe the skinny tires pick up a lot more, because they're bias ply, I think they bump more. So we're, yeah, that's where we're at today. So it doesn't cost me anything to leave them on there a little longer while I continue to think it over. So that's what we're doing. Nice ride. I have been, when Honeybaby is riding with me, I really concentrate on trying to make it as smooth as possible, because, you know, guys are all impressed when you burn rubber and squeal your tires and scare people. And women are sort of more impressed when it's about halfway comfortable. And it's actually pretty comfortable riding over here today. So I'd say life is good. Alrighty then. I'll talk to y'all more later. Have a great day.